Good morning, everyone. I am Linami S. Disor. Good morning, ma'am. This is my topic is all about instruction strategies for differentiation and UDL in practice. We include learning objectives. The end of the lessons can define differentiated instruction and explain why it is needed in inclusive classrooms. Apply these strategies by designing activities that differentiate content, process, and product. Show appropriation of learning diversity by actively participating and respecting different learning preferences. YDI and UDL is very important because learners' diverse instruction must be flexible. In differentiated instruction or DI, it is adjust teaching based on learners. There are three types. We have readiness, interest, and learning profile. And this universal design for learning or UDL, there are three types. We have multiple means of representation. Second is multiple means of engagement. And the last one, we have multiple means of action and expression. There are three types of differentiated strategies. We have a content, process, and product. We have content. Example of contents is varied text, visual, audio, and guided notes. And this process example is grouping, station, and tried task. And the last is product. Example is poster, report, and role play. And now we discuss all about differentiated content. Content refers to what student learns or the information and skills they need to master. For example, in a science lesson, some learners read or simplified text, others use the standard book. An advanced learner explore and experiment and encouragement article. Second one is process. Process is how students learn and engage with the content. For example, in math, learners may solve problems independently used, manipulatives, or collaborate in small groups based on their needs. The last one is product. Product refers to how students demonstrate what they have learned. For example, instead of one writing test, learners may create a poster, perform a role play, or record a short explanation video. There are quick practices how they identify whether content, process, and product. And also, there are many lessons design that can create a quick differentiate plan using content, process, and product. Choose one topic, for example, part of a lessons. And definitely you need to complete the template, either content, what you learn, and process, how will you learn it. And the last one is product, how will you show learning. Every content have assigned like pictures, short text, and real plan for output. In process, you need group talk, station, and hands-on activities. And the last one is product, where you need to levels your drawing, oral explanation, or other mini poster. And we move on summary. And this side is remembering the importance of the three differentiate strategies like content, process, and product. And the last one is reflection. In my reflection on how thus differentiations help learners succeed. Learners can help to succeed because it's recognized that students are different in how they learn, understand, and express what they know. And instead of using only one teaching methods for everyone, teachers adjust lessons each learner succeed. It also increases learners' engagement and motivation. When activities match learners' strengths and interests, they are more likely to participate actively and stay focused in class. Differentiations reduce frustrations, struggling learners, and prevents differentiations builds confidence to us to promote in the classroom. Learners experience success through tasks that are appropriate for them, which encourage independence and positive attitude towards learning. As a future teachers, all learners are given equal opportunities to achieve and succeed their goals.